How to get mutual friends on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get mutual friends on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you might want to do is, if you don't know what mutual friends are those friends that you and your friends have in common. So let's say that I have a friend and that friend also has a friend which is also my friend. So there is a three-way here going on, and the third friend can be called a mutual friend since he's a friend with both of us, right? So that guy is what a mutual friend is. So if you want to get a mutual friend, all you have to do is you can go to your friends section. Here you can just search for your friend under people you may know, and or you can simply search here. You can go to the search bar, search here, and go to your friends list. So let's say that I'm going to my friends list right here, and after I'm on their friends list, I can actually check for people in his profile and simply start adding them, and that is how I can add mutual friends on my Facebook. So if I simply search for a friend, since this person is already my friend, now if I add them as a friend, this person will be a mutual friend with my third friend. So yeah, that's how you can get mutual friends on Facebook. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.